Woodpeckers Step Gauges streamline the process of setting tooling positions in your workshop. Instead of trying to eyeball the alignment of the tool to a tiny line on a scale, step gauges simplify the process of tool setup by providing a precise physical reference. Nothing beats a physical representation of a dimension when it comes to setting the height of a router bit, table saw blade, or drill press. Just slip the half-lap style support into the gauge. Get the perfect setting by simply positioning the gauge over the bit or blade. And at the drill press, place the step gauge adjacent to the drill bit at the dimension you desire. Like all Woodpeckers tools, step gauges are precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Speed up your setups and improve your accuracy with Woodpeckers Step Gauges. Order yours today.